Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Nubia Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Google account. Then you have to go to data and privacy and you have to scroll down and click delete your Google account. Now you have to use your lock screen pattern. Then you have to scroll down again and check these two checkboxes. Then click delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open Google Play Store, for example, and then click sign in. Now you have to use pattern again. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now as you can see, my account is deleted, so I have to click next to recover it. And now let's recover my password. Now click I agree. Then click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.